In this video, I'm going to show you how to set Yahoo as a default search engine in your Google Chrome browser. So if you want to use Yahoo engine as a default in your Chrome browser, so firstly open Chrome browser, then click on these three dots, then click on settings. Now scroll down. Underneath search engine, you will find option search engine used in the address bar. So Google is a default. If you want to change, so click on this drop down and select Yahoo. Now open new tab and refresh. So try to search something like pro tech tutorial, then press enter. So as we can see now, result is come from Yahoo. So this is, friends, this quick method we can change default search engine in Google Chrome, and also we can set Yahoo as default browser in Google Chrome. Hopefully you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.